We learned that at that driving school.
You could get one of the guys at work told me I can do that on my truck too. It's not just that; it's something else though too, right? You got to hold the traction control.
I haven't tried it on Nikki's truck.
I thought it's the traction. I think it's the traction control and something else. It's kind of, at least I think that's what it was. That fucking other truck in the passing lane is going to screw this whole thing up.
Yeah, why is he even fucking over that?
There you go.
Yeah, we got a bend coming up.
Huh?
We got a bend coming up there. So driving it home from them, it had like 61% ethanol content, so it was full power.
So where are you
now
at right
it's
now?
probably like mid 700
Okay.
on 93. Let's feel it.
Like how hard that's shifting, do you?
No, I do. It's supposed to.
Really?
Yeah.
This seems hard. Seems like it's banging too hard.
No, that's because it cuts ignition for like 50 milliseconds, so that the clutches aren't re-engaging under full power.
Oh,
so it lets them re-clamp, and then it reintroduces power.
Okay. Seems like it would be a lot. I don't know. It just seems to me it should feel a little smoother than that, I guess. But how fast were we going?
That was an 80 to 140.
So I guess at 140 it's hard to say how I think it should act.
It runs like shit at 140.
Fucking thing shifts hard.
Yeah.
Piece of junk.
Get it up to 140, it's trash.
I definitely like the takeoff. That's fucking nice.